Hi, today I'm going to be taking you through the Align Zapier integration to automate your critical numbers updates. To give some context, we're going to start with one simple question. What problem did we set out to solve? The first answer is consistency of information. We are still strong proponents of manual updates, which encourage timely analysis and course-correcting action. That said, we notice that our customers are wanting more information and they're wanting that information faster, which is why when we tested out integrations with Salesforce and started to see some of our sales teams track updates every single day, we knew that we had to expand this ability to other teams as well. Now, executive teams, board members, investors can all see up-to-date information in one place without having to ask. The second answer is to provide a single source of truth. We heard from you that your business has many different sources of data. In order to keep your critical numbers updated, you are checking Salesforce, HubSpot, your ERP system, etc. Now, with the Align Zapier integration, you're able to connect your systems and have up-to-date information all in one place. The ability to quickly understand and analyze through clear, consistent visualizations means identifying lagging metrics earlier and therefore taking action faster. That said, with automation comes great responsibility. Before, with manual updates, you were led to forced analysis, consistent questioning, and truly understanding your metrics. With automated updates, that could often lead to less handling of the information and therefore the ability to ignore certain updates. In Align, we encourage you to combine the benefits of both manual and automated entries. A couple tips on how to do so. The integration will automatically update daily. This means that your metrics will be always up to date without you having to lift even a finger. This now leaves you more time to meet consistently during your daily and weekly huddles in order to review your numbers and to take action on the metrics that matter. Before we released the automation, we made sure to add in the ability to write notes under each day's update. This way, you can still have a great handle on what's happening each day. Why did we focus on critical numbers first? As you actually might have noticed, over the past year or so, we've made a bunch of different updates to critical numbers. The importance of dashboard visualization is the future of our workplace, especially as we move to more remote work. Excel spreadsheets and printed presentations are systems of the past. Employees and employers want an easier, quicker way to gauge personal and organizational productivity, and we aim to provide this through critical numbers. Critical numbers are clear indicators of organizational success. They're located right at the top of your personal dashboard, which means that they're the first things that users see when they log in. They take up valuable real estate in the eyes of executive teams who want their employees on top of these most important metrics. Visualization of data leads to a better understanding of whether you're behind in the red or on time in the green, which means that employees are more likely to course correct faster on the numbers that they can affect. So, what is Zapier? Zapier is a connection point between two softwares. To give an example, it's like the waiter at a restaurant who would talk to both the cook and to the patrons. Your applications expose certain data into Zapier. Zapier can then take that information and push it into Align. In the same example, remember that you can only order off the menu when you're at a restaurant. So just make sure to explore in Zapier what your specific applications expose. How do you use Zapier? Most applications that we've noticed don't expose summary data in the format that you might want to push it into critical numbers. For instance, Zapier will extract the simple fact that you got in a new lead today. not the total number of leads that you have for the quarter, which is what you might want to see in Align. Therefore, we focus on either Excel or Google Docs, which both have the ability to combine data in order to get the right information into your critical numbers. Depending on what applications you'd like to connect through Zapier, you can use Excel, Google Sheets, or even email parser to quickly and efficiently zap right into Align. This might mean that you have a couple steps in your Zap process. The first step being a transfer from a third-party app into a Google Sheets, and then the second being Google Sheets right into Align. All this said, you're not on your own. We've provided plenty of different resources to make sure that you find success in your Zapier integration process. Our initial step-by-step setup document can be found within your Administration tab. Just click Company Settings, and then within the Integrations options, click the Configure icon next to Zapier. Once you've started the initial setup, we go deeper in the Align Academy FAQ docs. To access these, you can always click on the question mark bubble in the top right corner of your screen to get to our FAQ section. There you'll see a link to the Align Academy, which has a full tab for integrations. Lastly, we have plenty of resources on our YouTube channel, so come back for more videos or simply email advisor@aligntoday.com for personalized help. Thanks so much for your interest, and we look forward to speaking with you soon.